Alright guys, this is the downstairs bathroom. This is running. This is not backed up. This is a beach house on stilts, 2 floors. So go upstairs here. This bathroom was backing up. This sink was backing up. This sink was backing up. This toilet was backing up. And this tub was backing up. There's a second bathroom on this floor. This sink was backing up. This toilet was backing up. But this tub was good. When we snaked it from here, came out the first bathroom toilet. When we snaked it from here, it came out this toilet. So somewhere in between this bathroom, that bathroom back there, somebody didn't plumb it in right. So we're gonna open up the ceiling downstairs, see what we got. But yeah, ain't that something, huh? Alright, what's the fucking chances this is gonna leak? Here we go, baby. 10 lux. I'm putting it down, no one sees your face. Buckle lux. It brings my engagement up. How about that?